the aquarium is really beautiful. It's definitely going to get a lot of light. Beautiful aquarium. What the hell is going on?
The fish tank looks awful.
Delete the photo.
It looks terrible.
Damn it.
Aquarium Fish Shop.
Welcome, sir. Let me introduce you to some products. This is the most modern type, compact design, and can be controlled on, off with a remote.
I need one that hold water inside.
How about this, sir?
It's too small to raise fish in.
Wait a moment, I'll do it for you.
How to build the aquarium bedside lamp. Step 1. Build the water pump. Build the propellers. Add the water pipe. Add the engine and more. Add the case. Testing. Step 2. Build the lamp. Step 3. Complete assembly. Add fishes and more. Great, I'm done.
Wow!
Hey Alex, I just made it for you. Let's fill the water into it.
Wow! Wow!
Well, this is exactly what I wanted.
I'm glad that you liked it. The lamp cost $1,000.
I already have beautiful photos to post.
I don't want to buy it. Bye.
Damn it, I've been tricked.
Aquarium bedside lamp.
The lamp is really beautiful.
How much do I must to pay to own it?
Fool.
Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Hand. Today I will decor my bedroom to make it become more interesting. I'll combine my bed and my fish tank together. Guess what I'll get? Let's start. The aquarium bed. Step 1. Put glass tank into the bed frame. Add water. Add fish. More water. Look at my aquarium bed. It's great, but it's not done yet. Now I will complete it. Step 2. Build the bed frame. Step 3. Build the bed surface. Last step, complete building. My aquarium bed is done. Let's decor my room. So I completed my aquarium bed. Like and comment below which I should do in the next video. Bye-bye.
We have finished building the fish tank.
But it wouldn't be a fish tank without water, isn't it?
Yes, let's make a water pump.
Okay, let's do it. The pool is full.
Hello, Daddy.
Those horses got dirty.
Let's Mr. Hand help you, Daddy. Good job, Alex. Thank you so much.
You're crazy. We're trapped. Somebody help.
Let me out of here.
Let's see if you're lucky enough, shall we?
Build the slide. Set up slide. Add a pool. Add the water pump.
Let the fun begin. It's working.
First turn. Please, don't do this to me. Please, have mercy. Help me.
So interesting.
Not me. Let me out of here. I'm so scared. Let me go, please. This is dark and stinky in here. Help me.
Those cups look pathetic.
What happens?
You deserve to die.
You think that you could be smarter than me? Now your turn.
Oh no, how's it possible?
How to build the water pump. Install the impeller. Install the pipe. Install the gears. Add an engine. Install the case.